Hello children, Patanjali Rishikul, class 8. I welcome you all to this educational science video. Today we are going to talk about flame. What is flame? Any substance that vaporizes during the process of burning gives off flames. For example, here in this picture, you can see the flame of a burning candle. You can see the magnesium ribbon burning, the dazzling white flame, and you can also see the LPG burning, giving a blue color flame. Now, let us talk about the structure of a flame. When we talk about the structure of a flame, we can take the simplest example of a burning candle. In this picture, children, you can see the burning candle. The candle's flame has got three zones. The inner zone, that is of unburnt wax vapors. It is black in color. Next is the middle zone, which is yellow in color. And the outermost zone is the zone of complete combustion. It is bluish in color. Now, we have already seen the picture of a flame. It was having three zones. We could see the three zones. The outer zone, the middle zone and the inner zone. Isn't it? Okay. So in the outer zone, the complete combustion of the fuel is taking place. And the color of the flame is blue. And this is the hottest part of the flame. It is also called as the non-luminous flame. Next, that is the middle zone. There, the partial combustion of a fuel takes place. And the color of this flame is yellow and is moderately hot part of the flame. This region is also called as the luminous part of the flame. Then comes the innermost zone. These comprise of unburnt vapors of the fuel, and the color of this zone is black, and they are the least hottest part of the zone. So far, we have discussed about flame. Now let us learn what a fuel is. Yes, a fuel is a substance that burns in air to produce heat and energy. What are the various types of fuel? On the basis of the state, the fuels can be categorized as follows. Fuel in solid state. When we talk about fuel in solid state, the simplest example, as you can see here, is the wood, charcoal, coal, etc. Next is a fuel in liquid state, like for example, diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. These are the byproducts of petroleum. Next is the fuel which occurs in gaseous state. For example, LPG, biogas and CNG. What are the various characteristics of a good fuel? It's very important to know that, isn't it? The main characteristics of a good fuel are, it should be available easily, it should be readily available, its cost should be very cheap, and it should also be easy to store and transport. It should burn at a moderate rate, and it should produce a large amount of heat. Well, it should not leave behind any undesirable substances. And finally, it should not cause pollution. Now, so far we have discussed about the characteristics of a good fuel. We know about the fuel, the different types of fuel, and the characteristics of a good fuel. Now let us talk about what is fuel efficiency. You know, children, different fuels, they produce different amount of heat on burning, and the quantity of heat that is produced But the complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel is called its calorific value. So you can say in simple words, calorific value is the amount of heat that is being produced by burning the fuel. You can see here in the table the calorific value of different types of fuel, isn't it? Okay, on this basis we can decide the efficiency of the fuel. So today we have learnt about the different types of flame, the structure of a candle flame. We have also discussed about what is a fuel and what are the various states of a fuel and what are the characteristics of a good fuel. So children, with this we end this class. We'll be meeting again with a new video. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Thank you, children. Bye.